Good morning, class. So, we'll be discussing the mock test paper today. First of all, what you will be doing is that you will be doing this mock test paper in your revision notebook. You will not be doing in the GK notebook. You will not be doing in the reasoning notebook. Is that clear? You will be doing this in the revision notebook. So, your first question is, answer the following questions in one word. So the first question is, the quills of these animals are used for making fancy artifacts. So I am just writing the answers. Second is, my leaves are bitter, my oil is excellent antibiotic. That is neem. Third one is, I am the king of herbs. I am a sacred plant. I help in curing blood. Basil. Fourth one is, a large flightless bird of South America with three-toed feet. That is rhea. Fifth one is, longest leaf belongs to which plant? Raffia palm. Sixth one is, green and purple colored nuts. That is pistachios. Seventh one, which plant is usually found near the sea? That is coconut palm. Eighth one is, the first man on the moon. That is Neil Armstrong. Everyone knows. Ninth one is, a country of highest elevation of Mount Elbrus, Russia. That is Europe. 10th one is, 34 cave temple carved out of the rock face of a hill located in Maharashtra. That is Ellora. Completed in your notebooks. Now the next question, that is the matching. match the following. We have to do 1 minute. So the first one is saffron. Saffron will match with courage. Second one is a long story. That is a novel. Third one, Bihu, means it is a dance form of Assam. Fourth one is Dr. Kadri Gopal Nath, means Dr. Kadri Gopal Nath was a Indian saxophonist. Fifth one is giant of Hindustani classical music, late Ustad Vilayat Khan. I'll write the answers of filling the blanks over here. First one is the Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag on Independence Day. Second one, Garba store famous. Just correct this question. The question is Garba is the famous dance of Garba is the famous dance of You will correct the third question of FIB. It is written Garba store. You will do Garba is the famous. Fine. Then the third one. Third one. You will correct the second one. Sorry. Third question is Dash is a famous hair of the player who received the Padma Vibhushan in 2001. Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. Fourth one, Dash is the birthplace of Lord Krishna. That is Mathura. Fifth one, Dash is the man's best friend. Dog. change in question number 3 of FIB. The question is given: a dash is a famous hair of the player who received the Padma Vibhushan in 2001. But the question is a famous Sarod player. So you will do that a dash is a famous Sarod player. You will cut hair of the and you will write Sarod over there. In third question, what you will do? You will cut hair of the and you will write Sarod over here. Fine. And you will also make a change in this question. Now coming on the true and false. Now true and false. First true and false is Riyal is the currency of Iran. Yes, it is true. Then the second one, Euro is the currency of Vatican City. Yes, it is also true. Wright brothers invented the computer. No, Charles Babbage invented the computer. So it is false. Rajnath Singh is the defense minister of India. Yes, it is true. Craft can generate a power of 600 volts. No, electric eel can generate a power of 600 volts. So it is also false. After that is the fifth question. This was the fourth one. Fifth question is name them. Book alphabetically listing meanings means that is a dictionary. A child specialist is often referred to as a pediatrician. Who is the man of the forest? Orangutan. Which animal that is found in Africa and not many of them are left now? Gorilla. A small furry nocturnal bird found in the evergreen forest of New Zealand, that is kiwi. After that is identifying them. I am going to erase the FIB. Now, the first picture coming on to the first one. The first picture is of the hippopotamus. Second one is a bridge in San Francisco, USA. A bridge in temple. I'm giving you time to complete it. So now we will be discussing the half of the question paper in the half mock test paper in the next class. Thank you so much.